How to join team in Fishdom. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to join team in Fishdom. Joining team in Fishdom is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Fishdom. Launch the game on your mobile device. Access the team section. Look for the team icon or tab in the main menu. It might look like a group of people or having a label like team. Search for team. Once inside the team section, you will see a list of available teams. Use the search bar to find a specific team by its name or browse through the suggested ones. Join a team. Tap on a team from the list to view its detail, such as requirements, activity level, and member count. If the team is open to a new member, you will see a join button. Tap on it to join. Enjoy team feature. After joining, you can chat with team members, participate in events, and exchange life or tips. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can join team in Fishdom.
If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.